Hey guys, Venice here.
I'm your dad.
Please support my YouTube channel by liking and subscribing to it, and click the bell button to turn on notifications of my videos.
Yep. Sounds like a good idea to me.
It's a good idea.
Right.
Thank you. Today we're going to be watching Watch and You singing Dad I'm Home, aka The Saddest Song, on the next, or The Sound of War, of Season 2, Episode 8.
Yep.
Let's get started.
Right.
Piano.
Yeah, always starts with some nice piano. Wow, seems very purposefully slow.
Mm-hmm.
Seems serious. I think this song is important to watch the words.
战争后就会换来和平。但为什么我看到我的爸爸一直打我妈？
Oh no. It's very
就
serious.
因为喝醉酒，他就能拿我妈出气。我每次真的看不下去，可是又没有办法。
Helpless.
那时候我的年纪还太小。
This is sad.
Yeah. He's really serious.
从小到大，我只有在妈妈身上才能感受到温暖。我总是在想，为什么我的爸爸会那么凶？然而我到现在都没有找到答案。
Still hasn't found an answer.
如果真的我有一双翅膀，可以随时出发的话，我一定会偷偷地带着我妈，离开这个家。不要这样打我妈妈。
Wow. Sounds nice.
我说的话
Makes me imagine it's like very sincere with feelings in it while he's singing it.
Yeah.
不要这样打我妈妈。
How can you find the strength to sing a beautiful song through that, you know? I think he's just putting his feelings into the song.
其
Yeah.
实别人的家庭，别人的爸爸，种种的暴力因素，一定都会有原因的。但是呢，妈跟我都没有错，却还是离不开暴力。
That's really too bad.
亏我还叫你一声爸。
He looks frustrated.
His eyes are watery.
Yeah.
从小到大，你都叫我学习你，把你当榜样。
But he doesn't want to.
Yeah. Yeah, see, he's like,
好多的假象。
yeah. I can see in his face that's the kind of thing he was going to say. It's like, yeah.
妈妈常说，你要乖啊，要多听你爸的话。你教我怎么听你的话？你教我怎么跟你像啊？
I feel like the feeling's how someone would think when they're saying those words. Just by the way he's saying it, the way he sounds.
你教我怎么跟你像啊？
He doesn't want to be
教
like
我怎
him.
么跟你像啊？
Wow.
不要这样打我妈妈。
This is a very pretty part.
Yeah, I like the sound. But I think he's just like packing his feelings into the sound, you know? It's kind of like singing, maybe it's kind of like yelling, you know? It's like you want to scream it out, yell it out. When you really want something, it's like he sings it so clear, you know?
That's high.
Whew! Powerful. Wow. Wow. It's like yelling, even his mouth shape. It's like he's yelling. Oh, that's so sad. He's sounding, you know, helpless. I can feel a tear. Ooh. That silence at the end. Powerful. Very solemn, very serious.
I like that song though.
Wow, yeah.
It's very powerful.
Yeah, very powerful. You know, it was nice of him to share that with us, his experience, just the power of what he was feeling. So you could get to feel some feelings. It's very powerful.
It is kind of the saddest song
Yeah.
I've ever heard.
Yeah, that's a really sad song, man.
It's like he wants to call him his dad,
Yeah,
but
like,
he can't.
Like any kid would, because it's their dad, you know? Yeah. You want things to get better.
But it just won't.
Yeah, you just don't have control over everything. Yeah.
You could see the tears in his eyes the whole video.
Mm-hmm.
And the violin and the piano sounded really good with the song.
Yeah.
Even when he was talking, it sounded good.
Yeah, I love music. When people are really expressing feelings through the music, you can express all kinds of feelings.
Music is the most powerful way of expressing feelings.
Yeah.
That's what my teacher taught me.
Oh, very cool. Yeah, your teacher had a nice thought there.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I mean, of course, I didn't like this, you know, that he had to go through that sadness and that experience.
Nobody likes that.
No, but it was very, you know, in a way, it's very, very kind of him to be willing to share his feelings in his song, you know, his feelings through the song with everyone. So I appreciate that. And yeah, but wow. But thank you for your song, Hua Chen-yu.
Thank you.
So Hua Chen-yu, we heard one of your sad songs. You probably have some more, and you have some really positive, really cool, and so many creative songs, and we look forward to listening to some of those as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Well, guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave us a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.